Good morning, room 8. It's me. It is Monday, April 13th. It is going to be an A day. Remember, Mondays and Wednesdays are going to be A days. Tuesdays and Thursdays are going to be B days. Over the weekend, I dropped off a lot of packages to your homes. I was just hoping to confirm that you got them. I'll try to check in with you later to make sure you got it. Hopefully you got it before today because today's pretty rainy out there. All right, so we're going to take a look at our classroom for today and go over the assignments and the work. I'm just going to switch science and social studies. Okay, so for science for today, you're going to take your work from not last week, but the week before during last week was spring break. So you're going to take your alligators up close and you're going to use that paperwork to complete the Google form. So you're going to start with your name and your email. There are right and wrong answers to the work that you did with alligators up close. Feel free if you need to look back at the video for anything, but it's the same questions from the packet. I'm just asking you to give me the answers to some of them. So I tell you on each question, for example, right here, what question and what activity it was from on the packet, okay? So that's for science. So all you're gonna do for science today is input your answers and then just submit this assignment for science, okay? For social studies, this is going to be a long-term project for this week and next Monday as well. Read all the directions. I do not cram this project into one day. Work on each part each day, and then you have until next Monday. You even have next Monday to work on it. It's due by 3 p.m. on next Monday, though, not 11:59. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a Greek city-state project. So you're going to be doing it on slides. I don't know if you saw the slides that I had attached for you there. In this case, please, yes, do use the slides that I'm giving you. Don't make your own slides, okay? So we'll go back to this. You're going to create a drawing slide, a presentation of your own Greek city-state using characteristics you learned about city-states in class. You must decide on what you think is most important and in terms of your city-state. So my suggestion is to do a little bit of work each day so you can keep up. So here's what I would say the plan for you could be. Oops, this is not supposed to be in March. Okay, so complete steps 1 and 2 today, tomorrow 3 and 4, Wednesday through Monday you can work on the slide presentation and the pictures, and this is due next Monday, April 20th. So you have also next weekend to work on it if you need. Email me with any questions. Okay, step 1, determine the name of your polis. You may use the name of a real city-state in ancient Greece, or you may make up your own name. And step 2, decide on how you want your government to run. First, read about each form of government and then choose one from the list below. You can have a monarchy, an oligarchy, a tyranny, a democracy, or an aristocracy. I'm not going to go over the next steps because I only want you working on steps 1 and 2 today. So if you open up the slide presentation that I created for each of you, you'll put your city-state name, just your name here on the front. And the second slide is going to be your city-state name, and you can put some real pictures of Greece there for yourself. And then your government type goes here. Okay, so you can copy and paste from the doc, and you can add pictures if you like, but just these 3 slides for today. Okay, back to Google Classroom. So for math for today, we're going to continue multiplying our mixed numbers. We're going to be using our workbook for, what does it say today is your math test? Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, because that's the wrong day. Okay, so here's Monday the 13th. We're going to continue, like I said, using multiplication of mixed numbers. Oh, no, incorrect. I'm sorry, guys. We are going to continue multiplication as scaling. That was the 3 rules that I gave you a video for. So rewatch the video. Do not try to do it on your own. And then you're using the greater than, less than, or equal symbols to complete this doc. What is going to happen this week is there'll be a test on Thursday for math. It will be online. So tomorrow and Wednesday, if you're not in a Zoom group with me, you'll have some math work to do. If you're in a Zoom group with me on that day, either Tuesday or Wednesday, that's going to be your work for the day. We'll go over that in a little bit. But for today, just concentrate on this doc right here. Okay, so for language arts, you have Castle in the Attic, chapter 15. You have your 3 sticky note doc right here. And then don't forget to go out to Language Arts Google Classroom to complete your Castle in the Attic questions for chapter 15. Also, there's a Monday spelling assignment. So I put the Monday in spelling in this doc right here called Spelling Doc 3. It is the same words as before spring break, but we only had a few days of this list. So we are still working on the same words. There's 2 assignments only this week. And then spelling quiz and all the Castle quizzes will also be on Thursday. So Thursday is going to look like our assessment day. As always, save 15 minutes a day for iReady and complete your doc. If you finish something, add it to your doc. Here's the ketchup and pickle stuff for Friday. And then here's the Zoom groups. I started this little page so that way I can start reviewing things with different groups. So make sure you get the email invitation. Now, some of you are being late to the Zoom groups and then you email me and say you can't get in. Well, that's because the Zoom group already ended. This one will be a little bit longer, so you should be able to get in. But if you don't set your phone timer or your watch or your iPad or whatever, you're going to miss the Zoom group. And then I'm going to have to give you a 0 for the day for your work. All right, so here's 10:30 tomorrow. Miley, Justin, Trevin, Humera, and Kaylee. 11:15 tomorrow is Josh, Sanjay, Tyler, Juliana, Daniel, and Sienna. If you're not in this group, okay, you're going to be doing something else tomorrow. If you are in this group, that is going to be your math work for tomorrow. That's why you need to show up to your Zoom class on time. The flip is on Wednesday at 10:30 is Edward, Jaden, Paloma, and Ava at 10:30, and 11:15 is Sydney, Eliza, and Lacey. Again, show up on time. That counts as your math grade for the day. If you're not doing Zoom on that day, you're going to be given a math assignment to complete as a review. Okay, so it's kind of like what we would do in class, like rotations. If you're not with me, you're doing something else. So keep that in mind. All right, that is the looks of the day. I'm going to go ahead and post this video on my stream and YouTube and also the morning announcements. So I will be on from 10 to 12 and 1 to 3. All right, take care, guys.